Hey everybody, it's Tom. For this video, I'm going to be going through the challenge solution walkthrough for Ottergram 003. This is a pretty cool one. It's a little bit tricky, but not too bad. So I've already registered an account, so go ahead and do that. First thing you want to do is just kind of look through the application, see what it does. Look at comments, try to add a comment. Um, if you don't really know what the application does, it's a good idea to just kind of walk through, understand what it does, understand what the functionality is. Cute otter. Look at settings. I have the ability to change my bio. That's about it. I can also, looks like, change my name here. Okay, so that may be something that we'd want to test. In this case, we know that this is a um, file inclusion lab, so I'll skip that test for now. But if you go through and you look at these posts, come back over here to Kaido, pay attention to the queries that the application is making. So now if I view this post and look at Kaido, you see there's a path and then a query. So it's making a request to get this particular file here. So that's interesting. I want to send that over to my replay and we can start to kind of poke at this a little bit. So typically with these labs, if it's a file inclusion lab, we're going to be looking for flag.txt. If it's another kind of lab, like a SQL injection lab, the flag is going to be the admin user's password. So that's just typically the way that these are going to go. So I know that I'm looking for flag.txt. So the first thing that I'll try is just try accessing it directly, and that's not found. So what I can also try is I can try a basic path traversal sequence here and see if I can find the flag that way, and in this case it works. In some cases, you may find that depending on how, oh, let me get back to this one, depending on how the application is coded, the path may need to start with a particular value. So it may be that it needs to start with uploads, in which case we can leave that there and traverse from here. It helps if I type correctly. File not found, but if I go up one more, then it finds the flag and or finds the flag.txt, and we get the flag, and that's all for this one. Thanks. See you next time.